Dear students, in this video I am going to teach you about valency. But before we understand what is valency, let me recap what is an atom. Atom is the tiniest particle, and for each atom the atomic number is equal to number of proton. The mass number is number of proton plus neutron. The number of neutron is mass number minus atomic number. So dear students, I am sure you have understood what is an atom and how to find atomic number. In your periodic table, the modern periodic table is arranged based on increasing order of atomic number. The atom is neutral because the positive charge of a nucleus is balanced by the negative charge of electrons. Thus, the number of electron is same as number of proton. Dear students, now you can see an electronic configuration. This is the structure of an atom. The center is a nucleus and it has a shell. The first shell holds maximum of 2 electrons. And the second shell, as you can see in this image, can hold maximum of 8 electrons. The number of outer electron in an atom is same as number of its group in a periodic table. Atom with same number of outer electrons will have similar chemical property. How atoms combine? Let's see now. Atom react in such a way as to achieve a stable electronic arrangement where they have full outer electronic shell. That is 8 electrons in the outermost shell. They are trying to achieve a noble gas structure. This means that they are trying to get the same electron arrangement as the nearest noble gas. Noble gas is the last column of your periodic table, which has 8 electrons in their outermost shell, which does not react and are stable in nature. The valency, as you can see, it is given here. The group 1 has valency 1, group 2 has valency 2, group 3 is valency 3, group 4 is valency 4, 5 has 3, 6 has 2, 7 has 1, 8 has 0. This means that group 1 need one more electron to become stable, that is 2 electrons, which is the first shell. Group 2, it is easy for group 2 to lose 2 electrons so that it can become stable. Group 3 will have 3 electrons, which is easy to lose 3 electrons to become stable. 4 generally share the electron. 5 will gain 3 more electrons to become stable, and so on. In this, children, it is clearly shown which is your group 1, group 2, group 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 electrons, or the elements belonging to group 1, group 2, group 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 8 group is a noble gas group and 7 group is known as halogen group. This is an image of your textbook page. You can see that the hydrogen atom, the atomic number is 1, electronic configuration is 1 and valence electron is 1. It need one more electron to become stable. Helium, atomic number 2 and electronic configuration 2 and its valency is 2. It need 0 electron because it is a noble gas. Similarly, based on your atomic number, you can write electronic configuration. While writing electronic configuration, children, kindly remember you have to write in K, L, M, N shell. That means first you will write 2 and then the remaining number. For example, boron, atomic number is 5. So first you will write 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So you will write 3. So the first shell, that is the K shell, is filled with 2 electrons, which is maximum. Then you will write the remaining electrons, that is 3 electrons in the outermost shell. Here it is easy for boron to lose 3 electrons to become stable. So it will lose an electron. That's how we calculate the valency. Students, let's understand valency by taking an example. Let's take an element having atomic number 8. This atom we can write in electron configuration as 2, 6. How did I write this? First shell which is going to fill is 2 electrons and the remaining, that is 6 electrons, will be in their outermost shell. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Let's understand by taking few more examples. Let's take an element having atomic number 15. This I can write it as 2, 8. That is, the first shell which is going to fill is 2, that is the maximum. The next shell which is maximum is 8. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So what is remaining? 5. That will be in their outermost shell. So 5 electrons will be there in the outermost shell. Now let's understand by taking one more example. Let's take element 22. The first electron shell which is going to fill is 2. The next is 8 and the next is 8. So 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So remaining 4 electron will be there in the outermost shell. So in the same way, you can always fill. Remember children, the first electronic shell you have to fill 2. The next electronic shell you have to fill 8. And next electronic shell you have to fill 8. This is the maximum what you can fill. Suppose you are having lesser than 8, that will be your outermost electronic valency. Like this. I am sure you have understood this.